We at the hospital, 6 o'clock in the morning. I need to see somebody, man. That recipe wasn't it. Early in the morning, about to tap in at the hospital, y'all. Hopefully they can pump my stomach from this chicken I ate last night. So we in the waiting room, waiting to be seen. Hopefully it's not all day, man. GrindFace. Man, I'm out here waiting. Take this damn mask off, man. Y'all, don't do that chicken, man. I think it was the chicken, but hey, I could be wrong. I don't know. Now I'm in the hospital, man. Waiting to be seen. Do not wash your chicken, man. I'm not washing no more chicken, man. Now it got me in the hospital. GrindFace though. We gonna be all right. That's gonna bring the little bubbles. And she also said, I just seen this video, man. I was doing it wrong the whole time. A little bit of Clorox non-splash bleach. We're just gonna put a drop of that in there. And we just gonna get the rubbing off, I guess getting all this dirt off. I really cleaned this chicken and cooked it, and man,